If the create Gmail account option is not available on Gmail, simply follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Google on your mobile device. Once inside the Google, simply tap on the your profile or initial name option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop down menu will appear on your screen. Once done, you can simply tap on the downward arrow option available there, right next to your name. From there, tap on the add another account option available there. Then you will be navigated to the Google option where you can add your another account. Now simply tap on the continue option available there. Then you can see create account option available at the bottom with the blue highlights. Tap on it. Then you will be navigated to the section where you can create an Gmail account. Now enter your informations, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.